Okay, example number 2. So the two sides of a triangle have lengths 10 and 18 units. So the question is, what is the range of the possible values of the third side? Step number 1, what is A? 18. What is B? Okay, dito anak, pwedeng i-mental math na lang natin yan. Una, anong operation? Subtraction. Pangalawa? Okay, 18 minus 10. Kahit sulat na agad natin directly yan. And then sulat lang natin ba si letter C. Then 18 plus 10. Okay, 28. Ito na po yun. Ito na po yung range of possible values. Na ano yung interval notation niya? Parenthesis, 8, 28. Meaning, ano yung mga possible values ni letter C? 9 hanggang, very good, hanggang 27. Kasi mas malaki dapat sa 8, pero hindi dapat lalagpas ng 28. So, therefore, the range of the possible values of the third side of the triangle, we have 8, 28. Another example, number 3. Okay, two sides are 6 cm and 12 cm. Question, find the range of possible length of the third side. Step 1, what is A? 12. What is B? Okay, 12 minus 6. 6. Then, letter C, 12 plus 6. 18. Ito na po yun. Possible values. Ano yung interval notation niya? 6, 18. So, the interval notation we have 6, 18. Or give me the exact value of C. Simula 7 hanggang 17. Very good. Between 6 and 18. And 6 and 18 is not included. Hindi siya kasama.